Ndiba kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo na wakwe zone.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndibanya, Nmekelonu. I'm from ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the digital makeup artist, and you're tuned in for another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day. And you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're here to give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so shout out to Chinwe for sending in her name. That's right, good up for Chinwe. For sending in her Igbo name of the day request. So Chinwe asked me what I guess the longer version of her name was Chinwenwa, right? She asked me what Chinwenwa means, and basically to let you guys know what the deeper meaning of her name is, and what are some of the characteristics and things about it, right? So first, we're gonna start off with the translation. So, you ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. Chi in this context means the personal God for your life, right? Almost kind of like your guardian angel or your guiding spirit. Mwe means to own or to have, right? And Mwa means child or children, right? So you put all that together and you get Chinwenwa, meaning basically God, almost kind of like God owns children. God is the one who bestows the gift of children or childbirth onto humanity. You get what I'm saying? A lot of times it is, let's say a woman is having challenges conceiving a child, right? And when that child finally comes, she might name that child Chinwenwa, which means, you know, it's a way to kind of like console herself, to let her know that everything is in God's hands anyway. I might have struggled to conceive, but God is the one who, everything's in God's hands. God is the one who will give me the child anyway. It's not gonna come when I want necessarily, right? It's all in God's hands. You know, it's God's plan for when He wants me to have a child. You get what I'm saying? So that's why a woman might name her child Chinwenwa, to remind herself that everything happens in due time. Anything that you want is going to happen according to God's plan for your life, right? Chinwenwa. So Chinwenwa's names give them the power to be great team players, right? They cooperate and work well with others. They love children a lot, and they're also very spiritual. Tag and share this video with all the Chinwenwas that you know. Thanks. So Chinwe or Chinwenwa, which is the long version of the name, right? What do you think? Would that be a good name to give your next child? Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about that name, Chinwenwa. Let me know, what do you think about the translation? Did I get the translation right? Feel free to let me know as well too. And just tell me what you think about this Igbo Name of the Day series, all right? So please like this video. Likes are free. Leave me a comment down below. I appreciate all your engagement because that helps the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the bell button so you get a notification anytime I post a new video. And that next video might be your video if you hit me up and say that you would like me to feature your Igbo name. If you don't have an Igbo name, don't worry. I will give you an Igbo name on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway segment, right? And also share this video with a friend. So thanks a lot. Appreciate all your support of this YouTube channel. And yeah, all your support goes a really long way. And I will see you in the next episode. Take care.